Okay, let's make an activity space map. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in to my neighborhood area. And I'm going to show where I used to live. Okay. So I used to live right here, so I'm going to put a marker there. I'm just going to call it home and save it. Okay, now I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And I'm going to show the places that I used to go. So I'm going to select another marker. I used to come to this station. And I'm going to click off that because there's another place I need to put it right here. Used to come to this station. Okay. And so now I have 3 points, but I'm not done. And my place of work around here. Okay. So now I can keep adding markers, but I see a 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to now make an area. And I'm just going to include these all into my activity space. And I can change the style, change the color, whatever color you want. Change the border, make it thicker. But this will show you in general about where you usually go. Yeah, and I could have added some more places over here, so it would have made a different shape, but I just wanted to make something basic. You can also edit the layer. Maybe you can have 2 activity spaces. Maybe you can have a weekend one and a weekday one. I'll let you decide on that. Give it a go, and we'll see how it looks.